Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Aisha. I do lots of makeup unboxings on my channel. I do makeup subscription unboxes, mystery boxes, and lots of makeup hauls. If these are things that you like to watch, then please consider watching and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my July Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. If you're new to Ipsy, this box is $25. There's 3 different subscription levels you can get. This is a middle price point. So let's see what I got in this box. So the first sneak peek, I'm going to show you a sneak peek. This box felt very light. But then again, yesterday I just unboxed my Ipsy Ultimate and that box was really heavy. So I guess I'm just thinking I'm used to that heavy weight. This is very lightweight. So this is what I got in this box. Very light compared to when you unbox the Ultimate, but that one is $50. This one is only $25. Alright, so I normally take this little thing out, and then let's see what I got. Alright, so I got the same card as what I got in my Ipsy Ultimate. No prices or anything like that on there. It just tells you your Glam Bag Plus packing list, so it tells you nothing really, honestly, about what's in the box, so it makes no sense reading it. Alright, so this is the makeup bag that came in this box. I kind of like this makeup bag a little bit better than the one that I received in my Ultimate. But I just don't like the Wonderless name on here. So I like the material. This material is not like cloth material where some makeup bags are cloth and it gets dirty really easy. This feels like an actual material, something that you can wash and clean. So that looks that. I'm going to save this for my giveaway. Because when I do giveaways, I'm going to put probably 3 makeup bags in each giveaway. Just because I never use any of the Ipsy bags that I get in my subscription boxes. But I'm sure maybe one of you guys may have use out of it. So I save them for my giveaways. Alright. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 things in here. So let's see. I feel so light. Is it supposed to be 4 things in here or 5? I'm not sure, but let's see. Let's take a look at everything that I got in the box. Alright, so this was my choice. This was the Complexion Culture brush. And I know this is probably more on the expensive side, so maybe they put this one thing in here to put the value of the box up, and maybe that's why it's only 4 things in a box. So let's see the brush that I chose. Because if you're new to my channel, you wouldn't know this, but I love brushes. I have a ton of brushes. So I love one thing about subscription boxes is you get brushes in them. So this is what the brush looks like. It says Contour Blush. And this is what the brush looks like. So very nice. So you could do your little contouring. So you do your little Very nice. I've never seen a brush kind of like this. This is very unique. But I like it, and I'm interested to see how it works. But keep in mind, think outside the box. You don't have to use, just because it says contour brush, doesn't mean you have to use it as contour. You can use it to put your powder or whatever else you want. Always think outside the box. So that was the first thing I got in my box. Okay, Complex Culture. I haven't heard of that brand before. Alright, so the next thing I got in here is Nature's Cartel, and this is a shimmer lip gloss. Never heard of Nature Cartel either. I like the cheetah print on the sides of the box, but this is what the box looks like. And let's see what color the gloss is. Ooh, this is pretty. It's like a white sparkly color. I like that. It's clear. Let's see how the brush looks. It's like a dome tip. I'm going to put a little bit on over my I just put gloss on, so I don't know if it's going to show because I literally just put gloss on. Let's see. I mean, it's a clear gloss, so it's not going to really have any color to it. I don't really see, like, that much color. But then again, I didn't really, like, dip into it too much because this is clear and I didn't want to, like, if you already have lipstick on, you dip it into hair, it changes the thing, so I just lightly put it on. But it's pretty. Just to put over stuff. Alright, the next thing I got is from Tarte. This is the Tarte Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. And if you guys look at that box, those lashes are like day and night. If I was shopping and I saw this in a box, I would buy it because who doesn't want lashes like these? I know I do. Alright, so I love the color of the packaging. It's just like a sea foam and a white. I'm not going to open this because I get tons of mascaras. If you do get makeup subscription boxes, then you know, like 9 times out of 10, especially with Tarte, especially with Ipsy and BoxyCharm, they always give you, like, every single month, either like a liquid liner or mascara, one or the other. So I just, like, I'm having, like, a collection of liquid liners and mascaras, so I'm not going to open this as of yet because the lifespan starts once you open it. And this says once you open it, you have 6 months to use it. But I normally wait, like, after 3 months, I throw them out because I don't like when they get clumpy. I like when they're still, like, wet and moist and they just glide on. Alright, so the next thing I got in my box is... Oh, I found something else in here. So I did get 5 items. Because I'm like, normally don't we get, like, 5 items? I found the 5th item. It was hiding. Alright, this is really heavy. This is from the brands... What brand is this? Colorable? Oh, no. Il Makiage. Feels very, like, oof. Alright, how do we open this? This is, like, interesting. Let's see here. Oh, this is cool. Look how it opens. I love how you open this. Very crafty. Love that. Ooh, look at the packaging. Ooh la la. I love how it says the name on the front. Very fancy, very fancy. Ooh, I like this. Look at this purple, guys. Very pretty. Very, 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 very pretty. Excited about this. Very nice. Ooh, this is not... Very happy for this. So I like the gloss. I like the mascara. I like the brush. I like everything in the box so far. Except for, you guys know I'm never a fan of the makeup bags. Alright, the next thing that I got in my box that was hiding, which is why I only thought I had 4 items, but I actually do have 5, so I was right. It's normally 5 things a box. This is the Selman Viii Hydroactive Eye Cream. Never heard of this brand before, but this is what it looks like. So... Overall, I like my box. The only one thing, I do like eye creams and trying different skincare, but like I am subscribed to a skincare subscription box, Beauty Fix, and we get like 5, 6 skincare products a month. So I have a lot of skincare, so I'm not going to open this. I'm going to save this for a giveaway. When I finally hit my 1,000 subscriber, that's going to be my next giveaway that I'm going to have for you guys. I'm thinking of maybe having like 3 different winners because since I did my last giveaway, I've been compiling a lot of stuff from each month. So I may like do like 3 different giveaways. That way more people get a chance to win. What do you guys think about that? Or should I just do one big box like I did the first time around, and I gave like a huge box full of stuff that I put in a FabFitFun box? That's how much stuff it was. I needed like an extra large box. Or you guys think you like that I'll just do 3 separate giveaways so more people get a chance to win? just food for thought. Well, I'll think about it. I'm not sure, but if you guys want to give back feedback, I appreciate it too, because you guys are my viewers and I want to know what makes you guys happy. So it's not what I want, it's what you guys want. So yeah, that's it. These are the items that I got in my box. Boom, 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 and the mascara in the Tarte Tarte mascara. Alrighty, so I'm wrapping it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, show your girl some love. I love when you give me thumbs up to show you like my